So if you haven't been living under a rock recently, you would have heard about the big Sephora sale,
which is still going on as of this video going live, so you're not too late.
Yes, and it was kind of like a surprise because they usually, yes it was, they usually only do 2 of these a year. They do it in the spring and in the fall.
This is fall.
No, the fall one is in November. This is like an extra thing.
Oh.
Apparently Ashley's been living under
Well, I just thought it was the fall one.
No.
Okay.
No,
so they're going to do it
in
again? We know that's for sure?
I think so.
Oh.
This is kind of like an extra thing.
So, what's so cool about this sale is that you guys know, if you are fans of makeup or skincare, beauty products rarely go on sale. And so it's really nice to stock up on some stuff while things are on sale. So we are both rouge at Sephora, rouge level, which just means we spend a lot of money. So our discount was 20% off, and so that's what yours would be if you are a rouge level. But if you're a rouge level, I guarantee you already are all over this sale.
Yeah.
The next level down is just VIB. VIB, very important beauty, is that what that stands for? I don't know either. But with that level, you get 15% off. Anybody can sign up for that. You don't have to have a select amount of money spent.
And also, this discount is per each item. It's not like a blanket, like 20% off of your whole thing. It's 20% off of each item individually, which is...
So even if you've never shopped at Sephora before, you can log in, sign up for an account, or stop by a store and sign up. It's free to sign up. Why not? And you get a discount. So without further ado, we thought we'd do a fun little haul showing you guys what we picked up at the Sephora sale. And maybe give you guys some ideas. You were all over the place.
I know. It's been a day. It has been a day.
Right.
I'll start with the most exciting thing first, or the thing that I was most excited about was this new perfume. I've had my eye on this for about a good year and a half now, and I just haven't bought it because perfume is so expensive, and the 3, including this one that I wanted, were all over $100. It's hard to justify. I know there is.
So buy them while they're on sale.
Yeah, I know there are some like perfume cologne like connoisseurs who like are super into it. I am super into it, but like it's still a ton of money. So I went with this one first on my list, and this is the brand Commodity, and this is the gold scent, and it isn't written here, but I believe it's vanilla, amber, and something else.
Spray it.
It smells so good.
Well, just like in the air.
Oh.
That's nice.
It's so
It's like
good.
soft.
Yeah. I love it. It's a very like Ashley scent too, but I love this. Highly recommend. I actually got a sample too of I think the Velvet scent, and I really like that one as well. But I need to like branch out and try like other brands of perfumes because like I said before, I have like every Elizabeth and James perfume. And so that's like my perfume scent just looks like Elizabeth and James.
With perfume, when you find what you like, it's what you like.
Yeah.
Like, that's not something you really need to change up all the time.
Yeah. But there's more than I want. So stay tuned. They'll happen at some point.
Oh hey, on the subject of perfume, I also got one. This is the Chloe Roses perfume. I like rose. I didn't really need perfume because I have a bunch. However, I have had my eye on this for a while, and I don't have anything like it, which is how I justified the sale price. So it's in this cute little girly bottle with a bow. It basically just smells like roses, which is a scent I happen to enjoy. What do you think?
I don't think I like this one. Her and Alex really like this. They both like had samples of it. That's all they could talk about for forever. Yeah, no, I can't wear that.
I like it.
It's too girly.
I don't like floral scents, like, as a rule, but something about rose, singular, like the only floral note being rose, I like.
See, mine's opposite because there's a new Gucci one that I really want that's floral. So that's probably gonna happen. Next up is this, and I saw a lot of people actually talking about this on Instagram, but this is the Peter Thomas Roth Max Complexion Correction Pads. So it's,
say that 5 times fast.
It's this thing, and there's like 60 of like these little guys in here, and you basically just wipe it on your face, and it's supposed to have anti-aging benefits. It's a pore minimizer. It has 2 different types of acids in there, salicylic and glycolic. It's supposed to help kind of even out your skin tone, minimize your pores, help with any sort of acne situations. I've only used it once so far, and it did seem to have kind of like an immediate, very subtle effect. So I'm very hopeful with these. I will probably report back in the favorites if I really like them.
So the next thing I picked up while it was on sale was a replacement of my Summer Fridays jet lag mask. Let me just show you guys, like I legit use this. So I pulled this out to show you. This is like, this is the tube. I'll show you the full thing in a second. I've rolled to get every little last drop out of this thing. It is so good.
It's like the best product
I use it as a, mostly as like a really hydrating moisturizer.
That's what I've been using.
It's called a jet lag mask, meaning like most face masks you wash off. But this, you can wash it off, but I like to just leave it on because it's basically just a really, really thick hydrating moisturizer. So since you saw I was very close to out, I ordered a replacement. I love this for a lot of reasons, but one of the really great things is that it's TSA friendly. You can travel with it in your carry-on. You don't have to check it. I have traveled with it to very, very, very many countries.
It's perfect for in-flight.
Exactly. I've used it a ton.
Refresh.
And they just announced that they're launching a new Summer Fridays product. What are they calling it? Overtime mask?
Overtime mask, I think. It's like an exfoliating mask. So you don't leave it on like this one.
It's at Sephora online starting September 4th.
Yeah.
So a couple days from this video coming out. It's not out yet, but we will be ordering it and we'll report back. That one, from best I can tell, I think it is like an it's an exfoliating mask that you do like use and wash off. So it's a little bit of a different purpose, but I think it would be nice
to use them together.
To pair the two, to do that one first and like exfoliate your face and then use the gel like mask to like hydrate. So I'm excited to give that a try very soon.
I wish you guys could see her face right now. Poppy's sitting right here off camera. It's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Look at it. Alright, next up I got this, which is, if I dare say, my favorite product of all time.
I don't like it that much.
I
bought a big one because you raved about it and I've like used it a couple of times, but it's good, but I wouldn't say it's my all-time favorite product.
It's probably my all-time favorite product. This is the Sunday Riley Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. I don't know how to describe it. I just love it.
It's
really
an acid,
works for my face.
so it's like an exfoliant.
Yeah. But it just, with my skin, it just like really works. I don't know what the correlation with that is, but it says it deeply exfoliates the dull surface of the skin for clarity, radiance, and younger looking skin, visibly brightens the appearance of age spots and discolorations, instantly plumps the look of fine lines and wrinkles in 3 minutes. I actually haven't had it for a while, so that's why I just actually reordered it. But when I was using this super regularly, I did use it every day.
If you have sensitive skin,
you probably can't.
Like I don't use it every day. I use it a couple times a week.
But I do not have sensitive skin at all, so I can use it every day. And I use it kind of as like my serum. So I do my steps kind of backwards. I feel like I always cleanse, tone, eye cream, serum, moisturizer. That's what steps that I do. That's not the norm.
Oh, yeah, I don't use that as a serum though. I do it as like my base layer, and then I put serums and oils and moisturizers on top of it. That's what I do.
I can't put all that stuff on my face at once.
I do.
I know. Everybody knows about your 20-step skincare routine.
The next couple things that I grabbed are the same brand, so I will go ahead and talk about them together. First, I got a replacement of this Biossance moisturizer. This is the squalene, however you say that, probiotic gel moisturizer. Open this.
I like the vitamin C rose oil.
I like that as well. Their skincare is all fabulous. I like this packaging because look. Isn't that fun? It's just a little like glass jar. This is my third one of these, so you guys know I love it if I keep reordering it. For me, I find that it really helps with redness and dryness primarily for my skin type. I use this sometimes in the morning, sometimes at night. I have several moisturizers I kind of rotate through, so it just kind of depends on what I'm feeling. If I'm wearing makeup that day, I usually don't use this in the morning because it doesn't soak in super quickly like some other moisturizers do. So just keep that in mind, but I really like it and you should try it because I think you'll like it too. The second product that I picked up is a new product for the brand, and it is their natural deodorant. We saw this at Create and Cultivate. I think Shelby had actually already seen it online, but it's new. They said that the rep for the brand at Create and Cultivate said that they don't have that much of this in stock. So if it is something that interests you, I would go ahead and jump on it right now. It's not that expensive. I think it's like $16.
Yeah, that's kind of the norm for all the natural deodorants right now.
So I mean, it's more than like a drugstore one, but you know, as far as natural deodorants go, it's, you know,
same price.
It's the same price essentially. And right now you can get it with a discount at Sephora, so go grab it. I have
tried it yet?
I've used it a couple of times. Like, I haven't used it long enough for me to really have a verdict on it. What I do like is the formula includes bamboo, which is an interesting ingredient I haven't seen in other natural deodorants. The formula goes on really smooth like a traditional deodorant does. It goes on and feels very similar to like the Dove deodorant I used previously. The packaging is also very similar, whereas most of the natural deodorant packaging is very different, like circles, or something. And I don't really know why there's that distinction, but for some reason that really bothers me. So I like that this is, like, you know, the traditional deodorant packaging that you've grown up using.
I'm also trying out a new brand of natural deodorant that I will get back to you on. I've only been using it for about a week and a half now, so I don't want to give my input quite yet.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll definitely get back to you on that.
We'll report back on this as well, but it smells good.
I don't really want to smell it since it's been in your armpits.
I've used it like once.
Yeah,
it smells good. Anyways, we'll let you know, but if you're curious, I would give it a try because so far I really like it.
Okay, I have two more skincare things to talk about. The first one is this mask, and this is the Sephora brand. It's their mud mask. It's purifying and mattifying, and it has zinc and copper in it. I actually got a sample of this. I don't know if it was in my Sephora play box or I don't know. I got a sample from something, one of the things from Sephora. You know, I order like every week, so it is what it is. And I actually really, really liked it. So it's,
I think I've tried it. I think
it's kind of like a charcoal mask, but see, it's like gray, and it has these little like thingies in there. I don't know if that's the zinc. I don't know if that's the zinc or the copper or something, but I don't know. I just really liked it. I felt like it really, really cleaned my skin without drying it out too much. And I love that it's a Sephora brand, so it's a little more affordable than some of the other ones, because I used the Origins charcoal mask for forever, and then I feel like it stopped working for me just because I literally used it so much. So I was trying to find something that's similar that could do like the same thing. So I got that, and then I also picked up this. This is just the travel size.
This is probably my all-time favorite product.
Ashley raves about this so much. This is the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. So it's the replenishing elixir of pure essential oils and distilled botanicals to visibly restore the appearance of skin by morning. And I've only used it once because I just got it yesterday, but I do really like it. It smells kind of like lavender. And it's
a combination of a lot of different oils.
Yeah.
I got a bottle for my birthday last year, so June 2017, that I am still only maybe 3/4 of the way through.
Okay, but
so it lasts.
But you don't use it every single day.
I would say I use it 5 nights a week. Right. So I use it a lot. There's a couple others that I use a little bit, but I would say I do use that about 5 nights a week. So not every day, but even if it lasted a year for this, I think it's one of the bigger bottles. It's maybe like this big, because you really just need a couple of drops.
Yeah. It's very thin. So like
it's a little pricey, but don't let the price scare you off because yes, it might be an initial big commitment, but it lasts forever, so you're gonna get your money's worth.
Yeah, but I got the travel size one. This I think was $26 before the discount. I got it like, you know, in the section like when you're trying to check out and you grab everything that's on the little thing. Sure, yeah, it was one of those. So
yeah, if you could buy one thing with your discount, I would suggest that. Or the Summer Fridays jet lag mask. One of the two.
I love this.
The last thing I picked up is kind of random, but I've actually talked about facial rollers before. We did a blog post on it a little bit ago. The one that I initially had was just cheap from Amazon, and it actually broke in half. One time when I was traveling, it broke, like the handle broke in half. So I picked up this one at Sephora since I had a discount. This is a rose one. The last one I had was jade. This is from the brand Herbivore, and it's a rose quartz facial roller. If you don't know what to do with this, we'll link the blog post down below so that you can kind of review exactly what how to use it. But I just wanted to say quickly the benefits of the rose, because it says in the back here, and I was gonna read it and I'm losing there's a lot of words back here. Okay, here we go. Rose quartz corresponds to the heart chakra, the energy center of love. Rose quartz increases self-love, which is essential when it comes to clear, smooth skin. So basically, I use this as a tool to kind of massage into my face any serums, oils, moisturizers, and it kind of helps to stimulate your lymphatic system. And there's a whole bunch of scientific research behind that process, which I won't get into, but look it up if you're curious. I haven't used this one yet, but I'm sure it'll be great, and it's pink.
I'm waiting to get one until I can convince Ashley to have the bathroom fridge that we mentioned a couple of videos ago.
Yeah, a lot of people keep it cold.
Yeah.
Just so it's kind of serves as a depuffing mechanism as well.
Alright, so my last two items are makeup items because everything else has been skincare. I didn't actually need these things quite yet, but I knew I was going to get them in like a month and a half. And I was like, well, why not just get them when I can get them on sale? So that's why I'm stocking up. I actually haven't used this in a couple months. I've tried out a few different ones, but I find myself going back to this. This is the Urban Decay Naked Skin One and Done Hybrid Complexion Perfector. I like this because it's really thin but has good coverage, and it doesn't feel like you caked makeup on. I've talked about this before because I used to use it a lot. So I wear the color light in case you're wondering. Everyone could have guessed that. The last thing I got was this. This is also the Urban Decay Naked Skin. This is their Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer in the color Fair Neutral. This is the greatest concealer I've ever tried, and I've tried a lot of concealers. This one is still just the best. It has the best coverage of all time. So definitely if you're looking for a concealer, go for this one. These obviously work well together, but if you just need a concealer, definitely go for this one.
Okay, so that's what we got at Sephora. We are curious if you guys took advantage of the Sephora sale. What did you get? Leave a comment down below.
Yeah, let us know so that I can order more things.
Yeah, there's still time. We can place another order, so let us know. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this from us, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe so that you are alerted every time a video goes live right here, and you can watch our latest video right there. We will see you guys next time. Bye!